students, now we will go for one example. X minus 2y is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. These are the pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, use the graphical method we will do first. Graphical method. In the graphical method, just now I explained, the lines must be intersecting at only one place, that is first one, and second one, the lines are coinciding. Here suppose L1, here L2, here L1 and again L2, coincident lines. And third option is what is parallel lines, L1 and L2. Only three options we have. This is also must. If you draw the graph of this one, it should be satisfies any of one. Okay, correct or not, we will go further. Suppose x minus 2y is equal to 0. For this we have equation 1 you select, this is equation 2. For equation 1, prepare one table. Like last year we did graph x, y. For this minimum two values we require. That is, suppose I am selecting x or y. Suppose y value I am writing 0. Y value is 0. If 0, 2 into 0, 0. What is remaining x value also? 0. x0, y0. Suppose y is equal to, I am selecting 2 here. If select 2, x is equal to x minus 2 into 2. What is answer? 2 to the 4. That is x is equal to 4. Yes, x is equal to 4. When it is possible? When y is 2. Y is 2, then x value is 4. Enough. Two values I am selecting for this equation 1. For second equation also, equation 2 also 1. Prepare one table here. Here x and y. Suppose x0. If x0, what is y value? Find out here. Is completely, if x is equal to 0, this completely 0. Then 4y is equal to what is? 20. Y is equal to 20 by 4 ones are 4 5s are. If x is equal to 0, y value is 5. That is first one. Clear everyone? If x is 0, y is equal to 5. Now one more value also required is. Suppose I am selecting x is 2. X is 2. If x is 2, 3 2s are 6. 20 minus 6, what is answer? 14. 14 by 4 again you will get fraction. You will go for another one. That is y is equal to 0. If you substitute, what will get? 20 by 3. 20 by 3 also again fraction. Fraction form, plotting the points, it's a little difficult. That's why you can take perfect number. What is that number you select here? Suppose I am selecting y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. You select 4 2s are 8. 20 minus, I am writing here 3x is equal to 20 minus y value I am applying. If you take right side, it will become negative. Okay. 4 2s are 8. 20 minus 8, what is answer? 12. 3x is equal to 12. Then x is equal to what is answer? 3 1s, 3 4s. 4 is answer. When is it is? When y is what is? When y is 2. Y is 2, x value is 4. Now, using these values, we have to draw the graph. Okay. Now, applying this here in graphical method, just roughly I will explain here. Okay. What are the highest value? Y is 5 and x is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is x axis. And here y axis. Positive how many? Highest value? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First one, what is given here? 0, 0. 0, 0 means, you know, that I think it is origin. Yes. First one, what is here? 0, 0. And second point is 4, 2. 4, 2. X is 4 and y is 2. Passing through this point, draw the line. We know linear equation has graph is what is? Straight line. We got the straight line. What is the straight line here? X minus 2y is equal to 0. First one done. Second one. Second equation 2. What is here? 0, 5. Suppose if you have doubt, you can write like this also. X comma y is equal to 0 comma 0. First one, second one, 4 comma 2. Here also same way you write order prime. X comma y is equal to 0 comma 5 and next one 4 comma 2. This way also you can write it. If you are perfect, no need to write these values also. Now what is first one? 0 comma 5. 0 x value and next one what is y is 5. Here 0 comma 5. Next one 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2. This one I think it is. Same point. Passing through this also again you draw the line. What is the equation? Second equation here. 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. This is the second equation. Second equation also is a straight line. Now you see, observe children, it is intersecting at only one point. What is the solution for both? It is 4 comma 2 is the solution. Suppose you have any doubt, it's correct or not, verify. So it has only one solution. That is verification. How to do here? Apply here. What is x value we got? Just write here. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Applying this, what is x minus 4 minus 2 into 2? 4. 4 minus 4? 0. Yes, first one satisfied. Come to the second one. What is x value? 4. 3 4s are 12 plus second one. 4 2s are 8. 12 plus 8, what is answer? 20. Yes, satisfied. First one 0, second one 20. Now we got it is here the linear equation. What is pair of linear equations has only one solution, that is 4 comma 2. Unique solution also this is. Then again I told you, if A1, the condition you know what is it? A1 by A2 does not equal B1 by B2. Before we discuss that, if both are equal, it has only one solution. Observe it's correct or not. Just I am comparing this one. A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. Comparing A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. A1 value, if nothing is there, what we have to write? 1. 1. Then A2 value, compare this one, x is same variable, A2 value is 3. And next one, B1, what is the B1 value here? Minus 2, because y coefficient, it's a minus 2. Minus 2. And next, B2 coefficient is what is? 4. 4. 2 1s, 2 2s. Now write finally what is here? Left side, 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Both are equal. 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1. Both are not equal. That's you right. Then what is it? It has only one solution or unique solution. That's why the condition is A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. Then it has only one solution, that is a unique solution. This is the graphical method for this one equation, linear equation, two variables. Now students, observe this table, you will get all the clear information from this table. Suppose first one equation, pair of lines, here comparing the ratios and graphical representation, algebraic interpretation. Okay, we know the general form of a pair of lines. A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. What are the comparing ratios in this is A1 by A2 does not equal to A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. What is the graphical representation is intersecting lines. These lines are intersecting L1, L2. Both are intersecting at only one place. What is the algebraic interpretation means? What is the solution? Solution is unique solution or only one solution for intersecting lines. The condition you have to remember, A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. Then it is unique solution or one solution. The lines are intersecting at only one point. Now come to the second one. Second one also same, pair of linear equations, same, no change. A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Now same, compare the ratios. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. All are equal. If all are equal, what is the graphical representation? Coincident lines. Both are coinciding at same place like this. Both are coinciding. That what is the algebraic interpretation? Infinitely many solutions. It has infinitely many solutions. So many solutions we have. When all are equal, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. It has many solutions. Now come to the third one. Same equation, that is a pair of linear equation, same only. A1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now compare the ratio. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not equal c1 by c2. First two equal, last one is not equal. Then what is the graphical representation? Parallel lines. Both lines are parallel. Means they are not intersecting any place. That means there is no solution. That is algebraic interpretation. No solution. Then parallel lines and first two equal, second one is not equal. Then also called in algebraic interpretation, if two lines intersecting at only one place, that is called consistent. It has one solution or unique solution, that is called what is consistent. It has solution, that is consistent. Here also many solutions, that is also consistent. That is also consistent. Remember children, the lines coincident lines and are consistent, or we can say dependent lines. Both are dependent. And last one is, if no solution, then it is inconsistent. Then no solution, it is inconsistent. What is clearly everyone? Unique solution, consistent. Infinitely many solutions, consistent or dependent. And no solution, inconsistent.